from Nancy, and I wanted to say that I'm gonna start doing Nerf reviews because I haven't been here in a while, and I really like Nerf guns now. And I know me doesn't like Nerf guns, and I don't. She doesn't like me anymore, so I guess Nancy's broken up, but I'll still be on here. Anyway, it's been a long time. I wanted to make a short news video, just telling you what's going on. Yeah, I've been busy lately, so I haven't been able to. And I want to tell you I've gotten so many Nerf guns. I'll probably review them, and I'll also do like a slideshow on my top 5 favorite Nerf guns, top 10 favorite Nerf guns, top whatever worst Nerf guns, weirdest Nerf guns. Okay, yeah. So make sure you keep an eye out for that. And so this is C signing off. Goodbye.